What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Moving Minds with Money. So today I'm going to show you, it's going to be a quick affiliate affiliate marketing tutorial. We're going to use Clickbank. And yeah, I'm going to show you how you can turn literally $0 into, well, $300, $400 a day if you just do this consistent for like a week. So yeah, before we get started, remember we've got a special discount on NordVPN. We take internet security very seriously, so make sure to check that out. It's 63% discount on NordVPN for the 2-year plan. I highly suggest and recommend that you use a VPN. It doesn't have to be NordVPN, but always when you work online, when you work with money, when you do what we do, always use a VPN. So yeah, that's down below. So yeah, let's just get started. So first thing I want you guys to do is come over to a website called Clickbank. So for Clickbank, you're just going to create, it's a affiliate marketing marketplace. So just create an account and you'll see something like this as soon as you sign up. Okay, so I usually go to a scene on TV because that's the best. Then choose something that's got a high gravity score and something you are interested in. This is health and fitness. This is some juice that I won't drink. So T-burn. Let me just find something we can use. Here's one. Lean Biome brand new weight loss offer. Okay, and it pays $146 each time you get a sale. Okay, that's quite nice. So I'm actually gonna show you something. So now, as soon as you find your affiliate product, just click on promote, type your nickname in, and there will be a link. Copy the link, and that's the link you're going to use. I'm not going to do it because I've already copied and I don't want to show my username and stuff here. But yeah, so, and also don't feel the need to use this specific one. If you are interested in sport or health and fitness or whatever, use that. But this is just one I think can work, but use your own judgment. Now head over to Google and type tips on weight loss. Okay, cool. So here's 12 tips to help you lose weight. That's perfect. Now go over to that article. Okay, let's just see if it's not complete garbage. Do not skip break, eat regular, eat plenty of fruits. Okay, this is perfect. Now basically you just copy the URL. You go over to this website. I'll leave the link. It's basically a URL, web page to PDF converter. So you're going to convert the web page, you're going to click download, and it's going to download. Okay. Now this is easy. You come over to a website called PDF Escape. Also, don't worry, all the links will be down below. So don't worry if I'm going too fast or you can't hear the name or whatever. Just check down below, it's there. Go over to a website called PDF Escape and you upload the new PDF. Then you simply just use whiteout to take out all the stuff that shouldn't belong there. Okay, that's fine. And then, this is where the interesting part comes in. You go down below, I already did this, but basically you're just gonna click here and type the next generation in weight loss, or whatever your topic is, you know, because then people are going to be like, what's that? Okay, and then you copy your link, the one you got from Clickbank, right? You come back to your website, you click on link, just go over that. I already downloaded the thing, so, and then you just paste your link in here, click OK, and right there on the left you'll see save and download PDF. Okay, perfect. So basically what this does, now you've got a small ebook, you know. Okay, the next step, come over to Canva. You know, I love Canva. I always use Canva and I always suggest you guys get Canva. It's a free tool. And if you want to use the premium version, I've got a 30-day free trial for you guys as well down below. So do use it. So you come over to Canva and you just create a simple ebook cover. This is 12 tips to help you lose weight. And I just inserted a guy on a scale. You know, it's quite easy. I just downloaded it. And now we've got an ebook. Wow. Now we're going to come over to this website. It's called Script. So this website, I can't show you right. I'll actually show you. Okay, so this website gets between 10 and 20 million views per month. And the good thing about this website, you don't need to be a famous writer or famous actor or whatever to get views. If you upload a nice book like that, that's actually 12 tips that help you lose weight. You upload it and they're going to show it. And as soon as people upload it and they go down and they scroll down, okay, that's nice. Oh wait, but there's a next generation in weight loss. I have to click on it. As soon as they click on it, they see an offer. Let me actually show you the offer. Where's that going to be now? Wait, let me just back. Sorry about this. There we go. Let me just open the one I've completed. So here we go. As soon as they click on my link on the next generation in weight loss, look at this. Just wait for this. Boom. It takes them to this. It's time to become naturally lean, and they scroll down, they see a massive discount on something. It's only $49 per bottle. You know, you save $240. And as soon as they buy that, I make $146.98. You know, it's as easy as that. And basically you're the middleman, you don't have to spend any money. And yes, so the amazing part of Script is that, how can I put this? They don't work like YouTube or Google or any website like that. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to your podcast or to your book or to your YouTube channel just to get views. No. As soon as you upload something, they categorize it in the right category, and then they show it to the people. And on average, I've tried this. I haven't used this a lot because I'm really a busy guy, but I've tried this the last few weeks and I got about 3,000 views already. And I only did one book. And out of that 3,000 views, I got about 2 or 3 sales. I mean, $146 is not a lot if it's just times 3. But let's work this out. I'm actually going to open up my calculator here. And then let's say you get, you upload one book for 30 days, right? You get 50 views per book. That's 1,500 views per day. Okay. Times 30, obviously, because that's 45,000 views a day. Let's say you work on an average conversion rate of, let's be real. You work on an average conversion rate of 1%. Okay. So let's go back to Clickbank. You make $146.98 every time you get a sale. So that is $66,000 you can make if you just do this every single day and you get 50 views per book per day. That's an insane amount of money if you do the strat correctly. So I really hope you do this. Try it. If it doesn't work, just let me know, but I promise you it will work if you do it correctly. And also, we are starting a university for guys like you guys. University sounds expensive. Let me rephrase. We are starting courses on a website for you guys. It's limited at first because we are going to do one-on-one training with you guys. Going in depth with affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, domain flipping, all those stuff. So it's limited for the beginning until we get a few other guys that knows what they're talking about, obviously. And as soon as you are done with the course, you get a certificate which goes on your resume, and a lot of these stuff. So if you're interested, let me know down in the comments and I'll add you to a Discord server, because this will be at the end of the month, maybe beginning of next month. We are just finalizing the courses and just making sure that all our methods are still working 100%, because we don't want to show you something that's not working. So yeah, if you're interested, drop a I'm in or drop let's go or whatever. Just let me know. And remember, check the links in the bio. That will help you with this method. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.